What's up guys, I'm Kinzey Rae. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys how I transformed my bun from this to this really cute and easy curly bun. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so no lie, I've had my hair in this bun for like a week straight now. So what you see is some old matted up hair that's been in a bun. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take my water bottle and I'm just spraying my hair just to get it a little moist and, you know, kind of break it up a little bit, because like I said, it is all stuck together right now from products and just being in a bun. So after I finish wetting my hair up, I'm just going to go ahead and take my paddle brush and I'm just going to go ahead and brush around the perimeter of my head, but I really want to focus on the back because you really want the back to be smooth because it's going to be a really high bun. So yeah, you want to make sure that the back of your hair is smooth. Also, I find it really helpful like to lean your head forward whenever you're trying to do like a high bun, because it's just easier to get all of the hair together and like as forward as you need it to be. And now I'm just taking my brush and I'm just brushing all my hairs down, making it nice and smooth, because that's just the look that I'm going for. And like I said, I want to make sure that the back is really smooth, so I'm just brushing everything down. Now I'm going to go ahead and use two scrunchies to secure my ponytail, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap that around my head. And you want to make sure that it's nice and tight, not too tight, because sometimes when I do this bun I get myself a headache, so I've learned not to make it too tight, but you know, just tight enough to make sure that your hair is nice and slicked down. Alright, so now my hair is in a little puff, and honestly I could wear my hair like this, but I'd rather just do me a cute little bun today. So I'm just taking my hair and wrapping it around, and I'm using a scrunchie to secure it down. Alright, and my little bun is just not it, so we need to add some volume. So the hair that I'm using is just some crochet hair that you can find at your local beauty supply store. I think they're only like $4.99 a pack, so yeah, you can use this, or you can also use Marley hair, but I went with the passion twist hair because I feel like it better matches my hair texture. Alright, so all I did with the hair is just take it and put it through this scrunchie, and then I took the scrunchie and I just wrapped it around my bun. And as you can see, this one is a little worn because it's the one I've worn all week, and I actually like it when it gets to this point because I feel like it looks a little more natural. So after I've got the ponytail on, I just take it and twist it a little bit, and then I wrap it around my bun, and then I'm going to take the ends and just tuck it underneath. Then I'm going to take a bobby pin just to secure the ends, and I'm also going to play with the bun a little bit just to make it a little more messier and a little bigger, because I do like big hair. And yeah, so we're just going to take our fingers and just mess with it a little bit. Now I'm taking my handy dandy eco styling gel, and I'm going to be using a toothbrush, and I'm going to lay my edges down. Now this part I definitely have to fast forward through because y'all, it takes me so long to get my edges the way that I want to, and even when I'm done I still be wanting to go back and play with them some more. So yeah, we're going to fast forward through this part. Alright, and if you want, you can stop after doing your edges, but I always like to pull out like the little hairs on the sides of my head, and also I like to pull out a little hair at the back. I just feel like it makes the bun look a little more messier. I don't know, I just think it looks way cuter when you have your little hairs out on the sides. Alright, so that is the final step to this tutorial. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. This bun literally only takes me like 5 minutes to do. I'm obsessed with it. Like I said, I've had my hair like this for about a week now, so don't judge me. But yeah, you guys can just pick up this hair from your local beauty supply store, and honestly you can really get whatever hair you want just to match your hair texture. Just put it through the scrunchie and you'll be all done. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you're notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!